Hi children. Now we are going to see 6th standard mathematics chapter decimals. Topics covered: conversions of money, conversions of length and mass using decimals. So first let us see conversion of money using decimals. So we already know 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. So that is 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So let us see how to convert money using decimals. As there are two zeros in the denominator. So we write the numerator and put a decimal point counting 2 digits from the right. So we get 0.01 rupee. Let's see some more examples. 5 paise. So 5 paise can be written as 5 by 100 rupee. As the decimal form, we can write 0.05 rupees. Another example, 85 paise. 85 paise can be written as 85 by 100. In decimal form, 0.85 rupees. Third one, 205 paise. 205 paise can be written as 205 divided by 100. In decimal form, 2.05 rupees. So next, conversion of length. In the metric system of measurement, the most common units of length are kilometer, hectometer, decometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So here we can convert units of length from one unit to another unit by multiplying or dividing. For converting a bigger to smaller, we multiply. Next, for converting smaller to bigger, we divide. Let's see some example. We know 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. That is 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. As there are 3 zeros in the denominator. So we write the numerator and put a decimal point counting 3 digits from the right. So we get 0.001 kilometer. Let's see the another example. 345 meter. Now to convert 345 meter into kilometer. So here we can write 345 divided by 1000. So we get in decimal form 0.345 kilometer. Next, a conversion of mass. The most common units of mass are kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. So for converting bigger unit to a smaller unit, we should multiply. For converting a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we should divide. Let's see one example. So we know 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. That is 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Because for converting a smaller unit to bigger unit, we want to divide. So next, so we want to convert to decimals. So as there are 3 zeros in the denominator, so we write the numerator and put a decimal point counting 3 digits from the right. So we get 0.001 kilogram. Next exercise problem. Exercise number 8.2. Sixth problem. Convert the following into rupees using decimals. The third sum, 50 rupees 5 paise. Now we want to convert into rupees. So here we know 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. So 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 rupee. Similarly, 5 paise equal to 5 by 100 rupees. So here 50 rupees 5 paise can be written as 50 rupees plus 5 by 100 rupees. So in decimal form we get 50 rupees plus 0.05 rupees. So therefore 50 rupees plus 0.05 rupees is 50.05 rupees. Next to the seventh problem, convert as required. First one, 26 millimeter equal to dash centimeter. Here we want to convert millimeter to centimeter. So we know 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. That is 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Similarly, 26 millimeter equal to 26 by 10 centimeter. Now let us convert into decimal. So here in denominator have only 1 0. So we write the numerator and put a decimal point counting 1 digit from the right. So we get 2.6 centimeter. Next is the third problem. 20 centimeter 1 millimeter equal to dash centimeter. So we already know 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So here 20 centimeter 1 millimeter can be written as 20 centimeter plus 1 by 10 centimeter, because 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Next 20 centimeter plus 0.1 centimeter, because 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1. Now we want to add 20 centimeter and 0.1 centimeter. We get 20.1 centimeter. Next, eighth problem. Second sum. 105 centimeter equal to dash meter. Here we convert a centimeter into meter. We know 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Similarly, 105 centimeter equal to 105 divided by 100 meter. So here denominator have two zeros. So we write the numerator and put the decimal point counting 2 digit from the right. So we get 1.05 meter. Next, the fourth problem. 1.42 meter equal to dash meter and dash centimeter. So here we converting a bigger unit to smaller unit. So we multiply with 100 because we know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1.42 meter equal to 1.42 into 100. So we get 142 centimeter. So 142 centimeter can be written as 100 centimeter plus 42 centimeter. So here 100 centimeter can be written as 1 meter. So therefore 1 meter plus 42 centimeter equal to 1 meter 42 centimeter. Next, the ninth problem. Converters required. The second sum, 0.52 kilometer equal to dash meter. We know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Here we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, so we can multiply with 1000. 0.52 kilometer equal to 0.52 into 1000 meter. So we get 520 meter. The next problem, third problem, 5454 meter equal to dash kilometer. So here we convert smaller unit to bigger unit. So here we can divide with 1000. So that is 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Similarly, 5454 meter equal to 5454 divided by 1000, we get 5.454 kilometer. The fourth problem, 3 kilometer 60 meter equal to dash kilometer. So we already know 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. That is 60 meter equal to 60 by 1000 kilometer. 3 kilometer 60 meter can be written as 3 kilometer plus 60 by 1000 kilometer. Here 0 will be cancelled. So as there are two zeros remaining in the denominator. So, we write the numerator and put the decimal point counting 2 digits from the right. So, we get 3 kilometer plus 0.06 kilometer. Now we want to add 3 kilometer and 0.06 kilometer. So we get a 3.06 kilometer. 10th problem, convert as required. The second problem, 1482 gram equal to dash kilogram. Here, for converting smaller unit to bigger unit, so here we can divide. So that is 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Therefore, 1482 gram equal to 1482 by 1000 kilogram. Here the denominator have 3 zeros. So we put a decimal point counting 3 digits from the right. So we get 1.482 kilogram. Next problem, 27 kilogram 32 gram equal to dash kilogram. So we already know 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. 27 kilogram 32 gram can be written as 27 kilogram plus 32 by 1000 kilogram. Next, 27 kilogram plus 32 by 1000 can be written as 0.032 kilogram. Now, we shall add 27 kilogram and 0.032. So, we get 27.032 kilogram. Thank you, children.